the Mercedes-Benz GLE 300d. So let's quickly get in the boot. So here it gets some electromagnetic tailgate, and the boot is large enough, 630 liters. You get a partial shelf here, and you get some space here with the first aid kit. You get a light there, and you get 40-20-40 split for the rear seats. And this is the fuse box. And so let's open this. So you get the warning triangle here, and this is the rear tire. So it's not a full-size tire. You get some space down as well. So yes, let me show you the key. This is to lock the car, this is to unlock the car, and you can directly close the boot from the key. Then there is a button to close the boot, like the one-touch button. And this is the rear lights, GLE 300d badging. This is the Mercedes logo, 4MATIC for 4-wheel drive system. And here you get fake exhaust pipes, the real exhaust under the car, rear parking sensors. And this is the wheel, the rear wheel, Pirelli rubber. The tire size is 255/50 R19 inches. Alloy wheels with 5 lug nuts, Mercedes logo. So the alloy wheel design is kind of good, and you get side step here. Now you get body colored door handles, chrome running here, piano black touch, body colored ORVMs with turn indicators. And this is the front headlight of the car. You get LED high performance written inside. You get the Mercedes logo with chrome finish and silver finish here. One more Mercedes logo here. And you get good cuts and creases on the bonnet. So yes, let's get in the rear seat. Before that, you get Mercedes-Benz badging here. You won't be able to see it here. So yeah, opening doors, the doors are big and heavy, and you get silver lining of door handles, power window switch, door pockets are large enough, 1 liter bottle will fit easily, wood finish here, soft touch material. This is the speaker. You get Mercedes-Benz scuff plate here. So yeah, getting in and out is easy because the car is quite tall, and I'm 6 feet tall. Acres of legroom and kneeroom. Magazine holder, scooped out seat back. Under thigh support is also good, and headroom is also good because I'm 6 feet tall, and the panoramic sunroof, the blind takes up, so they're little scooped, so they're good headroom. And this is the rear armrest with twin cup holders. And here you get a hook and light with a handle, same as the case seat there. Hook, handle and light. Here this is for the entertainment screen, like you can attach the entertainment screen. This is the rear AC vents, 4-zone automatic climate control, some space here. This is the laptop charger, I believe, and 3 people will be comfortable. There's a slight hump here, a huge cabin, but for the middle seat passenger, the only problem will be the seat is quite narrow and small. So the long journeys, it won't be preferable for the third passenger, but yeah, 2 people will be comfortable for sure. And so yeah, let's get into the driver's seat. As you can see, these are the LED DRLs, and I'll show you the lights as well at the rear. As you can see, those LED lights. So this is the new Mercedes design language. It gets on the GLS and the GLC as well. As you can see, you have welcome lamps running here, and there's a welcome lamp here as well. So this car gets a reverse parking camera, not the 360 parking camera. This is the 300d. And one more thing to show, get the Mercedes light here. as a welcome lamp. So yeah, this car gets the reverse parking camera, as I told. The 400D gets the 360-degree parking camera, and here also welcoming Mercedes cuff plate. And here two door pockets are large enough, so 1 liter bottle will fit. Power window switches with ORVM control. This is the electric seat adjust. No memory seat adjust for the front seats, and the 400D gets the rear seat electric adjust as well. This is for the lumbar support. So yes, let's quickly get in. This is the switch for the boot. You can open it and close it. Now get height adjust for the front seat belt. A handle here in the driver side. Now here you get a storage area with driver armrest. So the storage is just good and big. Some space here. This is just for resting your hand. And this is the Mercedes touchpad. This is for the telephone, radio, media. Navigation map. This is for the favorites. You can set your favorite and go. Vehicle settings, parking camera. This is for the dynamic, the mode selector, drive mode. This is for the volume control. Twin cup holders, and you get a wireless charging pad with a USB-C charging, and cigarette lighter. Yeah, good wood finish here. So yeah, let's quickly switch on the car. As you can see, it's telling to fasten the seat belt. So yeah, this is the driver's display, the 12.3-inch screen, the front MBUX system, which is the new latest Mercedes-Benz system. So it's showing, it has various information, the speed, it has the consumption, then showing from start the driving data from reset. So you can show the full screen display as well. So it will change accordingly. Now this is the speedometer. Then you have the clock. This is from start, they are the same. This is the trip itinerary. This is the radio, like what you're doing. So a lot of information. Even you can change it on the other side as well. This is the tachometer. This is the consumption. Eco display. This is for the map. G-force meter. And the map, again the map thing. So yeah, a lot of things here. This is the headlight control, electronic parking brake, and good leather finish here. Now this is for controlling the MBUX infotainment system, and the volume controls, attending call, and this is for the favorite, and this is the voice command system. This is for the multi-information display, like you can control it like this, and this is the cruise control system. Now here you get a mirror with a light, and same as the case here, mirror with a light. Now talking about the safety system, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, ESC, hill hold control and traction control, various modes as well. Now as I told, it gets 4-zone automatic climate control. So like if I increase the blow, it will show like what's the blow speed and the temperature. So yeah, like if you heat it up, the ambient light color will change into blue, and if you're like dropping the temperature, it will be blue color. It will be the red color, and like if you're heating it up. So yeah, change the cabin in no time. So this is the controls for the air conditioning. This is the hazard light switch, and you get the ambient light color here as well. So yeah, ambient lighting in this car, yeah, we know that Mercedes-Benz has nailed it. Here you get the paddle shifters. This is the stalks for the lights and the wipers as well. This is the gear, like you can set it like the normal Mercedes thing. Even the Rolls Royce gets it. Now this is the touchpad system. You can control the thing, and this is a touchscreen as well. So this for the phone, navigation, radio, like media. You can connect your Bluetooth. It gets Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The information, it will show the vehicle information. It will show the gas and brake, how much you're using. Yeah. Engine, it's showing the engine data, consumption, owner's manual. Then you have comfort, ambient lighting. This car has 64 colors of ambient lighting. You can change it. So yeah, you can change it this way. As you can see, it's changing. So you can put multi-colors as well. Multicolor ambient lighting, welcome. So you get welcome lighting as well if you want to set it. You can adjust the brightness, like if you want it. If you want the ambient lighting, you can switch it on and how much brightness you want. And then you have Mercedes Me app, the connected car tech features. And then you have the settings. You have the ESP, the parking sensors are different. This for the hill, like if you go for hills, you have the system for that. Then you have the car wash also. You can, when you're giving it for car wash, assistance, camera and parking. So yeah, warning tone, active brake assist, attention assist, blind spot monitor. So yes, the ORMs get the blind spot monitor. Then you have vehicle settings, get dynamic select. Then you get start stop system, winter tires limit, belt adjustment, lock, automatic locking, automatic fold in, filling station search, standby mode. Then light, I told ambient lighting, you get exterior light, interior lights, surround lighting. Then system and display, you can, the styles and display, like you can change it. It will change in both this one and the multi information display, like it's in sport. If I put it to classic, as you can see here, and if I put it to progressive, so yes, the progressive looks good. We'll leave it in sport. Then you have display brightness. You can adjust the display brightness. Then you can turn off the display. You have day and night design, automatic, it's set. Like you can set what according to that. Controls, keyboards and handwriting. This car has handwriting recognition as well. Touchpad sensitivity, then touch control sensitivity, touchpad tap, haptic, operating feedback, the operating feedback as well. Then you have this voice activation, like hi Mercedes. It has voice recognition. I'll show it to you in a bit. Then you can control the audio. So yes, you can adjust the things. Navigation, phone, parking assist, volume output, voice output volume. Then you can read out the handwriting recognition, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, active hotspot, vehicle hotspot, internet status. Then you have time and date. You can adjust the time and date. Then you have the language. Then you can units, like you can change the units, like this is kilometer. Then you can change it to miles, as you can see. Let me show it to you again. So yeah, you can add an additional speedometer as well. License activation, software update, system backup, pin protection, system info. Then you can reset it as well. So yeah, a lot of information in the display. Now I'll show you the lights. You can slot the key here, as there's a lot of space here, and as you can see, the lights are switched on. So these are high performance LED lights which shows a lot of display at night. And from the front, yes, this car looks good. You get some chrome finish here, and this is for air intakes, like the engine takes air to breathe to cool down. This car has a 2-liter diesel engine producing 245 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque, and a 0 to 100 claim time of 7.2 seconds, and an electronically limited top speed of more than 220 kilometers per hour. Now let me show you the glove box. So the glove box is decent size with a light as well, and here you get lights, and this for the back lights as well. You can turn on the back lights, as you see. So a lot of lights, and here you have the SOS. Now let me open the panoramic sunroof. So it gets a large panoramic sunroof. Now I'll open the sunroof. So the sunroof opens not fully till here. Yeah, brings a lot of airy feeling, but I'm disappointed that they didn't open the whole sunroof. And now let's do an audio test. So yeah, the audio quality is damn good with good sound speakers, and the fuel tank capacity of this car is 93 liters, and the mileage by air is 13.89 km per liter. So in the real world, you can expect around 7 to 9 kilometers per liter in the city, and the highway you can stretch it till 12. Now the steering gets manual adjust for the steering wheel, tilt and telescopic, and so the quality of this car is damn good. Like aluminum switches, the ambient lighting as it runs. As we know, this car has the best ambient lighting, and you get auto dimming inside rear view mirror. And yeah, so the 400d gets a little bit more features like the adaptive air suspension, and it gets 2 more airbags. It has 3 more airbags. It has 9 airbags. This car has 6, and it has 360-degree parking camera. So yeah, even a more powerful diesel engine, around 330 horses with 700 Newton meters of torque. So 0 to 100 claim time will be less than 7. It's I think around 6 seconds or something. And then you have the 450 petrol, around 376 horsepower or something. And then you have the hip hop edition, the CBU model, which is with hydraulics. And what do you guys think about the new Mercedes GLE? Even the GLE 53 AMG is available in the market. It's around at more than £1 crore, and this starts at around 84 lakhs. Then you have the 400d, then you have the GLE 450, then you have the Hip Hop Edition 4matic Plus. And yeah, so thank you so much. Please do like, comment and subscribe.